Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Friends, today I am going to make again fish curry. This fish curry also will be very different. Some fish are fried away and kept. Some is frying here. And this I have to fry. All this after frying the fish. Then I will make the curry. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Friends, for the fish curry, today the masala what I am going to use is, this is ginger garlic, this is black mustard, jeera and dry chilies, red dry chilies and onions. All this I am going to make a paste and then make the fish curry. Friends, I have fried up the fish. You can see here, I have kept it here. Now I am going to make the curry, the fish curry. Some oil is left in the karai here. So I will, in the same karai, in the same oil I will make the curry. I will put some more oil, mustard oil. Friends, put in the jeera and the bay leaves, the tej patta. Now I will put in the cut up onions. Friends, the onions are turned brown, you can see. Now I will put in the turmeric powder. Friends, the masala which I have made into paste, this I will put in now. Friends, the masala is turning brown. I won't make it very brown. Now I will put some potatoes. Put some salt. Put in the cut up tomatoes. Friends, I will add some water and let the potatoes cook. Today I am making Macher Jhol fish curry, fish recipe. Cover it up. Friends, the potatoes are almost cooked up. Now I will put in the fried fish. This is the fried fish which I am going to put in. Friends, I will put some coriander leaves. Cover it for 2 minutes. fish curry is ready. Macher Jhol is ready. I hope you all will like the recipe. Thanks for watching my video.